Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and getting straight into settings. You need battery and lock access, then open settings and type Smart Sidebar or Floating in the search field. Once found, tap the feature to enter its page. Make sure you grant display over other apps and accessibility permissions because the floating window needs those rights to appear and interact with apps. This step is crucial because without permissions, the window cannot overlay other screens, so do not skip it. Once done with permissions, toggle the floating window feature on. You'll see options to add apps to a floating list. Choose the apps you want available in a small overlay. Next, customize behavior. Change window size, transparency, and set the hotspot or gesture for invoking the window so it doesn't trigger accidentally. Make sure to test with one app. If the overlay appears, you've configured it correctly. These choices control usability and battery impact, so balance convenience with performance. Finally, open an app you allowed and invoke the floating window using the hotspot or sidebar gesture. The app should shrink into a movable overlay you can drag and resize. When finished, tap close or dock it back to full screen. If the floating window fails to appear, restart the phone, regrant display over other apps and accessibility permissions, and clear the app cache for the affected app. This fixes permission or cache conflicts. If problems persist, check for software updates to patch known bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.